Operation Morvarid was an operation launched by the Iranian Navy and Air Force against the Iraqi Navy and Air Force on 28 November 1980 in response to Iraq positioning radar and monitoring equipment on the al-Bakr and Khor al-Amaya oil rigs to counter Iranian air operations. The operation resulted in a victory for Iran, which managed to destroy both oil rigs as well as much of the Iraqi Navy and inflicted significant damage to Iraqi ports and airfields. Battle. On 28 November 1980, after Iranian technicians prepared as many aircraft and helicopters as possible, Iranian F-4 Phantoms and F-5 Tiger IIs attacked Iraqi airfields around Basra. They managed to destroy one Iraqi MiG-21 fish bed on the ground. During the night of 29 November, 6 ships of the Islamic Republic of Iran Navy's Task Force 421 deployed Iranian Marines on the Iraqi oil terminals at Mina al-Bakr and Khor al-Amaya. The Marines, supported by AH-1JC Cobras, Belt 214s and CH-47C Chinooks, gunned down most Iraqi defenders during a short firefight, then deployed a large number of bombs and mines. They were then evacuated by helicopter and left the Iraqi oil installations and early warning bases in flames. At the same time, 2 Iranian Command class blocked the ports of Al-4 and Qasr, blocking 60 foreign ships and shelling both facilities. In response, the Iraqi Navy deployed P-6 torpedo boats and OSA-2 class fast attack craft for a counter-attack. The boats engaged the 2 Iranian missile boats which managed to sink 2 OSAs with Harpoon missiles. The remaining 3 OSA-class missile boats continued to attack the missile boat Pakan. The crew of the Pakan called IRIAF for help which sent 2 F-4S. By the time they arrived, however, the Pakan had been sunk after being hit by 2 Iraqi P-15 Termit missiles. In response, the F-4S targeted the remaining Iraqi ships and sunk 3 OSAIIs and 4 P-6S. Soon another 4 Iranian F-4S arrived from Shiraz, bombed the port of Al-4, and, together with F-5S, destroyed the surrounding Iraqi SAM sites. 1 Iranian F-4 was hit by an Iraqi SAR-7 surface-to-air missile but managed to return to base. Now Iranian F-14 Tomcat formations joined the battle and, together with several F-4S, covered the withdrawal of Task Force 421 and bombed the Iraqi oil rigs, destroying an Iraqi aerospatial Super Frelon helicopter. After this, they attacked the Mina al-Bakr terminal. The Iraqis scrambled 7 MiG-23 floggers to defend the terminal. Iranian F-4S then engaged the Iraqi MiG-23 MSs and downed 3. 1 Iranian F-4 was down during the battle. 4 Iraqi MiG-23 BNs attacked the Joshan, which managed to shoot 2 down with SAR-7 missiles. Shortly after, an Iranian F-14 downed one of the 2 surviving MiGs, forcing the last one to flee. Aftermath. The destruction of Iraqi SAM sites and radar and monitoring equipment made it possible for the IRIAF to attack via southern Iraq again. The Iranian missile boat Joshan, which took part in this operation, was later sunk during Operation Praying Mantis by U.S. Navy warships.